Making money is very easy.
Okay.
You just need these three things for you to be able to make money. The first thing you need is courage. In essence, that will to put yourself out there. Courage and confidence is what's going to propel you to greater heights. The richest of people out there are very, very confident, have very, very high courage. Ensure you put yourself out there for opportunities to meet your abilities. It is as simple as that. Someone who's constantly putting themselves out there most likely going to be able to become successful as compared to you, for example, sitting down there, having brilliant ideas and not sharing with the world or even not going out there to seek people who can support you with ideas, money, partnerships, you name it. So, develop your courage. And of course, there is lots of material out there which you can learn, for example, to build business confidence or even courage. The second thing which you need to have for you to be able to make insane amounts of money is skills. Guys, high value skills are what is going to set you apart from the competition. Of course, we have a myriad of skills out there.
Oh my God!
Some are high value skills, others are just skills. You need to bank on high value skills. For example, data analysis, content creation, and so forth. These are actually high value skills which the world rewards in greater extent. And most importantly, focus on those skills which can actually be able to get scaled up as opposed to having unique skills which can be scaled up or even can turn to money. Someone like, for example, who washes elephants out there, in case of something like that, that is a skill, yes. But is it a high value skill? Yes, it could be a high value skill in the context of their work. But beyond that, how many people in this world, for example, want to learn how to wash elephants? Are very few. And then the third thing which you need to have in mind actually implement all the time is consistency. Consistency is very key when it comes to making money. And I'm saying so because just by human nature, people out there get bored real quick. And this calls for you to be very consistent for you to be able to make money in anything. In fact, it is called work because it calls you to be very dedicated, wake up every day, continue refining your art for you to be able to make money. So ensure you are consistent and hopefully over time, you're going to be able to make ridiculous amounts of money. Of course, the starting point is to start on something and continue on that trajectory of improvement over time. That is consistency. And through that, you're going to be able to make good amounts of money. Guys, these are the three things you need for you to be able to make money. If you can be able to hack these and, of course, refine them to the point of perfection, chances are you're going to be able to make insane amounts of money. Thanks a lot for watching. Look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Cheers and you all take care.